So first, we're going to have to install Arch. I'm going to use the Arch installer. Just do it the easy way. Alright, just make sure everything is new. Oh, I didn't update. Oh well. Alright, locales are good. Mirrors. I'm in the United States. Best effort. BTRFS. Use compression. Yes. I'm not gonna encrypt it. Root password. Make a user. I'm gonna call it guest. Make the user super user. Profile. No. Just gonna do bare bones. Install. Use the ISO network config. Actually, oh, that was desktop. Audio, yeah. Pipewire. No Bluetooth, no print. Where would be, yeah, that'll be that. I don't want to do that. Just leave that blank. Additional packages? No, I'll just install them once Arch is installed. This is going to take a while. I might have to fast forward it here. Alright, it says the installation is finished. So when it gives us the option, oh, I guess it's not done. Oh, okay. Now we got the option reboot. Just going to reboot here. Boot into the operating system we just installed. Alright, so we're at the login. I selected the username guest. Alright, so we got a bare bones Arch install. So now I'm going to get a few things. Sudo pacman install git nano curl. I think that's good for now. I think that's it. Alright, install. Alright, it's installed. So now I'm gonna make a directory called git, change into that directory, and then I'm gonna git clone https://github.com/cyberdiary2 the number /DARBS DARBS. Alright, we got DARBS, change into that directory. We got a README. Let's look at the README. Let's look at the README. I don't have less. Where would that be under? Alright, now let's try it again. So it gives you instructions. I wrote down basic instructions how to do it, and then I wrote a list of everything it includes. So we're gonna change it to executable, and then we're gonna run it. And it's gonna take a long time. But you gotta pay attention because there's one point where you have to enter your password when it's installing stuff from the Arch user repository. So you gotta pay attention even though it takes a long time. But I'm gonna fast forward it here. Alright, here's where we have to enter the password. And then I might have to fast forward it here one last time. Alright, that took about 35 minutes going from the beginning, installing Arch, and then running the bootstrapping scripts to now. So now we're just going to reboot into the new system. Okay, we're going to reboot now. Alright, we're going to boot into the operating system we installed, Arch. Let's hope it worked. It took a really long time to reboot. We got a greeter menu, but it's not the right greeter menu. Alright, the theme and everything looks correct. Let's okay. Alright, the weather application's working. Uh, so you can read the README, and it should have a list of everything that it comes with. You know, you got a password manager right here. You got all kinds of nice stuff. Codium is the IDE, and then mail client is Thunderbird. Calculator, Rhythm Box for music, uh, Peak for recording just video, short videos. You can, I might include Simple Screen Recorder. Obsidian for note taking. And then let's look at the terminal. Default is tmux. All right. And the theme is based on Moss from Obsidian. And then here are the bindings for tmux. And the prefix, I switched to Control A. It's easier for me. Instead of Control B, that's too much of a stretch for my hand to be using it all the time. It's annoying. So I switched it to Control A, and then more intuitive window splitting, Control A, and then the pipe to split that way, and then Control A underscore to split it that way. It just makes more sense than the percent sign and the whatever the other default one is. All right, I think that's it. Yep, I think it looks pretty cool. Let me know what you think. Uh, and yeah, I think that's everything I wanted to show. I'm going to be adding more bug bounty tools, but the theme and everything is going to stay the same. All right, thank you for watching.